Hello friends, welcome back to Cook with Apu. Today I have come with a very healthy and nutritious recipe. But you must be seeing it's noodles. How can it be healthy? So I'll tell you the part that it is made completely with wheat flour without any preservatives and without any adulteration. So you can make it at home and then you can make it as chow mein and have it or Hakka noodles. So let's see the recipe. Before the recipe starts, like the video, subscribe to Cook with Apu, and after seeing the video, comment down your suggestions. First I'll show you the ingredients for atta noodles. For that I am taking 2 cups of wheat flour, some oil for kneading the dough and saute the vegetables. For that also we need some oil. Then I have taken salt, water, and today we are making it with the murku presser. You can get it in any shop, or else you can just roll out the dough and then cut into pieces and just boil it. So I'll show you the steps. Then after making this atta noodles, we'll today make chow mein also with that noodles, using that noodles. So for that I have taken 1 cup chopped capsicum, 1 cup chopped cabbage. You can take carrot also, onion, but I am using these 2 vegetables. Chili flakes I have taken, it's completely optional. Black pepper is also completely optional. Salt we'll be needing for this also, and you can even put sauce and all, but I'll be making today a very easy atta noodles chow mein. It is going to be very healthy. You all should try this recipe at your home. So before the video starts, like the video, subscribe to Cook with Appu. So let's see the steps. So I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour in a mixing bowl. To that I'll put some salt. I have put 1 teaspoon. You can take it accordingly. Some oil, we'll just drizzle it. And then we'll mix this. Then we'll put some water. Now we'll add some water. We'll make it a dough just like chapati, but it should be a bit hard, not very soft. Our dough will be a bit tight like this. So now we'll keep the water for boiling. You should also take a wide pan like this. Thick bottomed I have taken, so it will just boil. Then we'll just squeeze out the noodles and boil it and cook it well. To this water we'll add some salt. If you want, you can add some oil also for not sticking. Now we have filled the machine with the dough. You can see we are using this pattern for making the noodles. You should also use this one. So we'll now just, you can see the water is also boiling. Now we'll just squeeze it out. So now you can see I've filled the machine. Now I'll make the noodles. The water should be boiling. You can see I just squeezed it out in the boiling water. You have to also do it the same way. If you want, you can use the thinner filter also. So it will be very thin, but I am taking the thicker one. You can make with any shape. So now we'll rest it for at least 5 to 7 minutes in boiling water so that it's cooked. After almost 8 to 10 minutes, our noodles are cooked. So we'll just take it out in a strainer and wash it in cold water. I have taken now the thinner sieve, so our noodles looks like this. This is the second trip. I'll make all the trips and then I'll teach you how to make chow mein from these noodles. We have boiled the noodles for 10 minutes and then we have to drain out the hot water. Then we'll wash it with cold water, drain out the cold water also. Then we'll put 1 teaspoon of oil so that it does not stick. From this we are going to make chow mein. So let's start. You can see it's non-sticky. You can make it at home. It's so easy. Now we'll heat the oil. To the oil we'll put some capsicum. We have taken 1 cup chopped capsicum. We are making chow mein. We'll just saute it. with some cabbage. That also I have taken. Slit green chili is completely optional. Now we'll just stir fry it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. To this, if you want, you can add some spices of your choice and your flavor. I have put black pepper and some garam masala powder. You can use any spices which you like. I have also taken some chili flakes and I'll just stir fry it for another minute or two. Then we'll add the noodles and toss it. So this is a very healthy recipe which all can try, because these Maggi and other noodles come under junk food, but this is completely made without preservatives, made with atta. It's completely nutritious, it's healthy. You should try this as a snack recipe. You can try this for your tiffin box recipes also. So do like the video, subscribe to Cook with Appu. So we'll just toss it, you can see, and then we'll serve it into plate after tossing it nicely. So our healthy noodles are ready. You should try this recipe at home. It's a very good substitute for the market noodles. You can make it at home in this lockdown. You don't need to go outside for buying these noodles. You can just make it with home ingredients itself. So give it a try, like the video, subscribe to Cook with Appu and comment down your suggestions. And thanks for watching. And press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video.